been on this shit, you been on my dick, try to better me, constantly I've been trying to clean my mess. I'm a born living rebel, youngin' rushing from the west coast. If you wanna settle with these rap flows, murder these rap quotes, with these whack flows. Any minute people wanna tag those, and this is what I rap for. I feel peace in the moment that I go, switching rhythm, visionary, speak about the shit that they know. Fuck reaching the top, I rap the fall. Success is only coming when you're feeling the drop. When you're feeling down and you're giving your all, that's probably only moment when you truly figure who you are. See, I never wanna stay too comfortable. People try to come around, try to change things, you know. See, I have my niggas, but I ride it solo, cause the day that I die, I'm going on low. See, I try to spread peace, that peace is a disease, and if you pay attention, you most likely be free. The individual who believes in humanity, but it's sad to see these days people tragedies. So I had to be T.O. to the X.I.C. Toss a T, don't you worry about me. I'm in my lane, try to understand myself. Sucker research, try to better myself. Until then I refuse to change myself.
I look around, I always learn something, that is to be always yourself, and to express yourself, to have faith in yourself. Do not go out and look for a successful personality and duplicate, like they always copy mannerisms, but they never start from the very root of the meaning. That is how to.
I hip to the left and hop to the right. They're fucking with my mind again, I gotta pick up this mic. Crazy off this madness, if you wanna come get it and try. I got no promise, marijuana steady on my high. Now it's born to be the truth, never live a lie. I fuck it up in this booth, I'm a kill in the night. I'm a kid in my night, the sister rolling them dice. Pony street my enemies, I'ma pick up this fight. I show no love to the one who try to slave me, no fear to the one who try to cage me. Lately they try to mace me, try to tase me, but they're the one who educate me and made me. So basically, I'm just another clone, another one to entertain with these songs. Am I wrong when I play my part? Rolling hella hot in my zone, kick it freezing to the beat from my veins and my bones.
Instead of a role model, I want to be a real model, because a role is a role, you know what I'm saying? If I always play like I'm so goody, then somebody see me doing something bad that every human being has to go through, they're gonna go, wait a minute, he ain't cool, you know what I'm saying? Then I'll let him down. But if I be me, I can never let anybody down, because I'm gonna have to be me.